Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your camera sensitivity on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined one of the Roblox games and I'm going to show you how we can change our camera sensitivity. First of all guys, you can go to this menu, the Roblox menu. Just click on this Roblox icon and then you're going to go to the settings. And after that, you're going to scroll down until you find the camera sensitivity. And for the camera sensitivity setting, I recommend you to choose one. Okay, it will give you best result on Roblox. Okay, and this camera sensitivity guys will affect your movement on Roblox. So yeah, I recommend you to choose one sensitivity for better movement. Okay guys, and that's how we can change camera sensitivity on a Roblox PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!